Tehillim 99. Yahuwah reigns. Let the peoples tremble. He sits enthroned among the Kruvim. Let the earth be moved. Yahuwah is great in Zion. He is high above all the peoples. Let them praise your great and awesome name. He is Kadosh. The king's strength also loves justice. You do establish equity. You execute justice and righteousness in Yaakov. Exalt Yahuwah our Elohim. Worship at his footstool. He is Kadosh. Moshe and Aharon were among his priests, Shmuel among those who call on his name. They called on Yahuwah, and he answered them. He spoke to them in the pillar of cloud. They kept his testimonies, the statute that he gave them. You answered them, Yahuwah our Elohim. You are an Elohim who forgave them, although you took vengeance for their doings. Exalt Yahuwah our Elohim. Worship at his holy hill. For Yahuwah our Elohim is Kadosh.